Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding guitar class. Today we're having a look at the absolute classic Take On Me by a-ha. Okay, we're going to strip down acoustic version, and just to say the a-ha key would be what we're going to play, but with a capo on the second fret. Cap on the second fret, but we're going to keep it open and just do a simple acoustic version. Okay, for this one the chords you will need are G, you will need a D, you will need an E minor, you will need a C, you will need an A minor, you will need a B minor, and you will need an F. Okay, so if any of those give you any problems, just try freezing the video and getting used to the chords. But assuming you're good to go, let's crack on, and you'll have to excuse the singing. It's a little bit high for me, but I'm going to do my best to hum the melody under the chords. Okay, so get rid of that intro with the A minor, and A minor, D, and G, and C. Sections of the classic a-ha stripped down acoustic version. Give it a try. Don't forget capo on the second fret if you want to play along with the a-ha version for the exact key, but it sounds great open as well. Sounds great open mics. Give it a try. It'll sound great. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoy. All the best, and see you soon for more guitar lessons with Ben Golding Guitar. Bye.